Hello everyone, my name is Amit and in this video we are going to learn concept of simple interest. Now let's understand this with the help of an example. Suppose Amit needs rupees 10 lakhs for educational purpose. He took the educational loan from ICICI Bank. Now when Amit will repay the loan, the amount will be greater than rupees 10 lakhs. So the amount repaid has two components in it, principal plus interest. Principal is rupees 10 lakhs which he borrowed and interest is the additional part above rupees 10 lakhs. Now the interest which will be charged can be of two types, simple interest or compound interest. Now we will understand concept of simple interest. In case of simple interest, interest is only charged on the principal. The formula for simple interest is PNR upon 100, where P stands for principal, which is sum of money taken as loan. N is number of years, which is duration of the loan. And R is rate of interest, which is charge on the loan. Now let's understand this with the help of an example. Suppose Mr. Amit borrowed rupees 1000 for 3 years at 5% per annum. Find the simple interest. Also find the amount to be paid after 3 years. Now let's identify the data given in the sum. Principal is rupees 1000. Number of years is 3 years. Rate of interest is 5% per annum. So the simple interest will be PNR upon 100. If we substitute the values of P, N and R in this, it will become 1000 into 3 into 5 upon 100. We can eliminate zeros in the denominator with the zeros in the numerator. So it will be 10 into 3 into 5, which comes to rupees 150. Now the amount which he will repay will be the principal plus the simple interest. So it will be 1000 plus 150, which comes to rupees 1150. Now as you can see, the interest was charged only on the principal in all the 3 years. So this is the concept of simple interest. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching this video.